Jai Gurudev, dear students, children, welcome again in this EVS class. You know, children, we have completed our chapter number 8, locating places. Okay, so today we will write its new words and question answers. So, first, before writing, you write the number of chapter number 8, and at the top you write locating places, that is name of the chapter. Then you put heading new words, and after writing this side heading new words, then we start writing the new words. First new word is east. You know, children, 4 directions are there. So first I have written the name of these 4 directions: east, west, south and north. And in this chapter we have studied about the directions. So directions spelling also you should know, and 5th spelling is directions. 6th is sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing of any place, you know that. And drawing, 7th word is drawing. 8th word is landmark. I have told you, children, what is landmark. Landmark is a famous place which everybody can easily recognize, that is landmark. And 9th word is symbols. And through the symbols, these are the signs, like plus sign we use for hospitals. In this way, different kind of signs we use to represent any landmark, so that is called as symbols. And then 10th word is recognize. 11th word is neighborhood. Neighborhood means हमारा पड़ोस, अड़ोस पड़ोस. Then 12th is entrance. Okay. And 13th word is atlas. Children, a book of maps is called an atlas. Okay, so these are the 13 new words you have to write in your EVS notebook. And children, if any other word also you find that it is tough for you and you have read first time, so that word also you can add here, no problem. It is for your learning that you have to know all the words, new words which are there in your book or which are there in this chapter. So after this, let's come to the answer the following questions. Children, write the name of 4 directions. First question is this one. The answer is the 4 directions are: first is east, second is west, third is south, and 4th is north. You know, children, there are 4 directions totally. When we facing towards sunlight, then we can find all these directions. We have studied in this chapter that how we can find out the directions. So next question is based on how to find out these directions. So second question is, how can you find the 4 directions? So how can you find the 4 directions? Answer is, we can find the 4 directions by facing towards rising sun. Children, how can we find the directions? When we face towards the sunrise, then that direction is a east direction, and at the back it is west, and on the right hand it is south, and on the left hand it is north. So according to that we can find out the directions. Question number 3 is, what do you mean by a sketch? You know, children, when we make any rough drawing, that is called sketch. Okay, so a sketch is a rough drawing of a place. Okay, here we are talking about the map or places or landmarks. So a sketch is a rough drawing. When we make rough drawing of any place, that is called sketch. And question number 4 is, explain symbols and landmarks with examples. Means what are the symbols? With example you have to explain these also, and what are the landmarks, this also we will explain with example. So let's see. In answer we write first about the symbol. It is a sign representing a landmark. So children, what is a symbol? It is a sign, any sign which representing a landmark. वो किसी famous place को जो भी साइन रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंबल. सो इसकी एग्जाम्पल क्या लिखेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लस, ये प्लस का साइन है. प्लस साइन इज अ सिंबल फॉर ऑफ एनी हॉस्पिटल. सो चिल्ड्रन, जब हम कहीं पे भी ऐसा प्लस का, जनरली रेड में होता है ये प्लस का साइन देखते हैं, तो हमें ये पता चल जाता है कि आजू बाजू कहीं पे भी नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो दिस प्लस सिंबल रिप्रेजेंट एनी हॉस्पिटल. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंबल. नेक्स्ट इज अ लैंडमार्क. So what is a landmark? A landmark is a place or thing that you can easily recognize. So children, landmark is that kind of place which any person can easily recognize. Recognize means हम बहुत जल्दी पहचान जाते हैं जिस चीज़ को. देख के ही हमें या किसी से सुन के ही हमें पता चल जाता है कि वो चीज़ कहाँ है, वो प्लेस कहाँ है. जैसे आपके एरिया में कोई फेमस टेम्पल होता है, या फेमस स्कूल होता है, या फिर कोई भी पोस्ट ऑफिस है, पेट्रोल पंप है, हॉस्पिटल है, तो दीज प्लेसेस आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इजीली बाय एनीवन. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस आर कॉल्ड लैंडमार्क्स. ओके, सो its example you can write here. Example is temple or school I can write. Okay, you can write example of anyone, etc. we will mention. etc means और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे वाले. okay, so example is either temple or school, etc. so question number 5 is what is a map? So children, what is a map? We have done practice in the school also on map. So you know that you have seen what is a map. A rough drawing or sketch is a map of a place. किसी भी place की rough drawing जो हम बनाते हैं या उसका sketch बनाते हैं, outer most lining उसमें हम mention करते हैं, boundary mention करते हैं, that is called a map of any place. Okay, it is a rough drawing or sketch of any place. So the sketch of the world is a world map. मीन्स फुल वर्ल्ड का जो स्केच हम बनाते हैं या वो मार्केट में आपको वर्ल्ड मैप की फॉर्म में मिलता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्ल्ड मैप. एंड इफ वी मेक स्केच ऑफ एनी कंट्री, दैट इज अ मैप ऑफ एनी कंट्री, लाइक इंडिया मैप यू हैव सीन. ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is children, draw symbols of any 4 landmarks. So here in this answer you have to write symbols, these 4 symbols. Means first symbol, plus symbol we use for hospitals. Okay, any hospital. And like this post box you must have seen, it is red in color generally. And near the post office also you can see easily. So this kind of box, post box, if we make, this indicates post office. Okay, it is a symbol of post office. And if anywhere we draw this kind of small temple, it is a symbol of temple. And fourth is park. If any place we show some plants, trees in a green, so that indicates the park. So it is a symbol of park. It is these all the symbols they have drawn on your book also. In this chapter number 8 you can see these 4 symbols. Okay, they represents these places. So here they have, in this question you have to write any 4. So here I have written 4. So these question answers, students, you write down in your EVS notebook and complete it. Okay, so in this chapter if any exercise we will write, then I can give you in the next class. Understood? So Jai Gurudev.